In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Calendly. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, let's talk about the most important part of joining any Calendly meeting, the invite. Typically, you'll receive an email invitation to the meeting, which might be sent directly to your Gmail or any other email provider you're using. To start, open up your Gmail account. This will usually be where the meeting invites land, and doing this first ensures you're checking in the right place. Once you're in your Gmail, look for the email that contains your Calendly meeting invite. This email acts as a gateway to your meeting and holds all the essential details. Clicking on it will reveal your scheduled time, date, and importantly, the meeting link. This is your ticket to joining the meeting, so keep an eye out for it in the email content. After you've opened the email, the next thing you'll do is click on the meeting link provided. This link is typically highlighted or underlined, making it easy to spot. Clicking the link takes you directly to the virtual meeting portal hosted by Calendly. This step is crucial because it's what transitions you from being an offline participant to joining the discussion online. Now, once you're on the Calendly meeting page, the final step to joining is to click on the Join button. This button is usually prominently displayed on the page, often in a contrasting color to catch your eye immediately. Clicking Join connects you to the meeting, allowing you to see and interact with all other participants. Make sure your audio and video settings are configured to your preference before joining to ensure a smooth meeting experience. And just like that, you've seamlessly joined a meeting via Calendly in just a few simple steps. To recap briefly, you accessed your Gmail to find the invite, clicked on the email for more details, connected through the meeting link provided, and then joined the discussion using the Join button on the meeting page. Joining meetings doesn't have to be complicated, and with these steps you're all set to connect with colleagues and friends effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future virtual meetings.